Ableton Live versus FL Studio, which is better? Choosing between Ableton Live and FL Studio isn't just about picking a software package. It's about committing to an entirely different creative philosophy. One operates like a fluid live instrument and sound design laboratory, while the other functions like an intuitive, pattern-based beat machine. So we are pinning these two industry titans head-to-head to determine which DAW deserves to anchor your production. So FL Studio's piano roll is widely considered the best in the entire industry. Its slide notes, quick chopping utilities, and native step sequencer make sketching out complex trap hit-hat patterns, chord progressions, and melodies incredibly fast and satisfying. FL Studio uses a pattern-based infrastructure. You build separate loops inside the step sequencer matrix, and then paint those blocks onto a global playlist arrangement canvas. Furthermore, ImageLine offers an unbeatable financial ecosystem. Lifetime free updates. You buy the software once, and you get every major feature iteration and version jump for the rest of your life. Flip the coin to Ableton Live, and the architecture shifts completely toward real-time audio manipulation and live performance. Ableton's audio wrapping engine is completely unmatched. You can drag any raw audio sample into your project, and Ableton will instantly analyze, slice, and load the transient markers straight to your master tempo without destroying the sound quality. Ableton features a unique dual interface setup. The traditional arrangement view handles standard linear timelines, while the session view acts as a non-linear grid for launching audio and MIDI clips on the fly, making it the undisputed king for live concert playback, rigs, and electronic music improvisation. Also, its stock audio effects and instruments, like wavetable and operator, are engineered with a clean, minimalist UI. So guys, the final verdict is simple. Use FL Studio if you are a beatmaker focused on hyperfast melody generation, and choose Ableton Live if you are looking to warp heavy audio samples, engineer complex sound design rigs, or take your studio productions directly into live stage. Hopefully this comparison and explanation helps you to choose either of these. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.